Good morning, YouTube. How's everyone? It is Saturday. It is 7:30. I'm getting ready to go to work. Found some of these cool chocolate bars at Walmart last night. I don't usually eat chocolate, but I figured I would get them and see if anyone would eat them. Maybe I'll take them to the shop. So this video is about the 2013 to 2020 Ford Fiesta and Escape timing belt toolkit. I did not have this. The first one I did years ago was a low mileage one, and it was a water pump, so I just used a bunch of let's see if I can find something in my drawer here. I used a bunch of wedges in the timing belt and then held the crankshaft in place with the cover off, and then I just pulled the belt off, changed the water pump, put the belt back on. And that was under 100,000 mile vehicle. So now, 13 to 2025 almost is, 6 is 9, 10, 10 years and older, 100,000 mile vehicle. It's timing belt time. I didn't have the tool. I didn't want to go at it ninja style. So I said, let me find out if I can borrow someone's tool. And I did. I had a shop loan me the toolkit so I can actually do it safely and not have to worry about it. And I did. So then at that point, I immediately ordered a kit for myself, because that's usually how I am when I borrow when you borrow someone's tools. And I know it sucks. You may not use this tool forever and ever and ever, and then you're going to need it. So as soon as I need to borrow someone's specialty tool, I make sure I have a specialty tool in my toolbox from that point forward. It is from Amazon. And so I used this piece here to lock the cams in once I had the crankshaft in place. And I started with the longer pin because I didn't have familiarity with the crankshaft locking tool. So then I wound up going to this, and then everything fell into place once I turned the crankshaft all the way in place. The cam gears fell into alignment as it'll slide this on. I didn't have to go with the flat bar. I have used flat bars before. I've used files. I've used raw steel. But I used this piece, and I got the job done. So this was super duper affordable from Amazon. I think it's like 24 bucks. How about that? But like I said, to borrow somebody's tool, and I know this is probably not what goes on in our industry, that I immediately go out and buy it. That's just how I've been in the earlier years of my career. Other technicians would let you borrow it once, and after that they're like, nah dude, you borrowed it once, now you need to buy your own. And I think that they should. So I'm prime example. Hey, if you have to use one of my tools more than once, it's time for you to buy your own. I mean, this is the career you chose, so you need to have the tools, right? Even if you don't touch them for years and years. I mean, I have tools I've never used after the first time. I used to rebuild GM tilt steering columns years and years and years ago. I don't even use those tools anymore. That's just the way that our business is. And many other tools that I have. All right, so I'm going to get ready to go to work. Drive that Monte Carlo to the shop. Thanks for watching.